On the last bit of the Rubicon, we were taking our dash cam footage on this dash cam camera next base 422GW. A nice little camera, memory chip there, power button. Nice little screen. Power is up. The mag base to the window. You get your power cord. It's coming down and plugs into your auxiliary power. So I just got to run that wire a little bit better. They gave me a good piece of wire to tuck it all in. There's our travel buddy. Been with us for over 22 years now, hanging in the window. But we want to say thanks to Light Bright, as we won this on Instagram. We just happened to be on the Oregon Trail and managed to pick it up when we were there. Just lucky to be in the right spot at the right time. So I just happened to get my hands on a new GoPro 7. So guys, I got my new GoPro 7, which I'll be doing a lot more video of in 2020. I got all the hardware packages. They got the good pictures. So between this here and the next base dash cam and our new camera on our iPhone and Android, we should be getting a little better picture, better quality than the first batch. So yeah, we're hoping to get some good quality video out there this year and get more interest coming in. That's the new addition to the film crew, GoPro 7 Black. Huh? Get over on the packed snow. Huh?
They weren't working very well. It's too bumpy.
Oh.
Are you going to try this already? Bring your sled.
Yeah, I seen you. You gotta do it again. I'm gonna go down and take a video. Yeah, I wanna go down here and take a video of you going by.
I want to be super duper fast.
Yeah, that one goes good. go. There you go. There you go. Here we go. Woohoo!
Now you're gonna poke around and sit on your butt.
Hi. Woohoo! Woohoo! That's a good shot. Lay on your bum now.
Not backwards. Turn it. Turn it.
Turn it. There you go. Yay!
Don't worry about it.
Don't worry about it. Just hold it.
Okay, just like your balance.
Oh, no, I don't want to hold this.
No, it's fine. It's not gonna break or anything. Just hold on to it and go like you do. Ready? Don't worry about that in your hand. Just go. Say GoPro stop.
GoPro, stop. GoPro, stop.
Say bye.
Bye-bye.
GoPro stop recording. Here, take it back to Papa.
Huh? GoPro, turn on.
Say GoPro record. You have to be loud.
GoPro, record.
Mine don't do that, Valerie.
Give him your
It's
dad.
stop recording.
Hold the
Huh?
strap.
Stop recording.
Hey,
Hold on.
No, we're gonna give you the GoPro. Get Ryder.
No, it's still recording.
My folks are gonna give you the GoPro.
Here.
Strap it on his little wrist. Hold it in your hand, Ryder, like Valerie did.
Here, hold it in your hand.
You can drive with one hand.
There.
Okay, get out of the way, guys. Working together. He's GoPro.
Yeah, he's done. No time.
He doesn't care.
He doesn't care about the lazy
Scooting down the hill.
GoPro, start recording.
You recover?
Yesterday we were wiped right out.
Try your tissues.
4 hours I thought.
GoPro, stop recording.